Hello friends, this is Rubia. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so from my today's video, as from the title you guys must be already knowing, but then also today I have my western pieces which I have ordered from Amazon, and I have always been skeptical like how western pieces turn out from Amazon, and touch wood, I don't have to return any damn thing. Everything was amazing. And yes, just before ordering western pieces, make sure you check the reviews on Amazon, and you can order these pieces as well. Like there are 2-3 one pieces and 2-3 tops, and yes, everything is under rupees 500. I guess one or two is something of 600, but I'll mention all the price on the screen. So yes, you can go and order, and links of all the products in the description box. But yes, without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, first we'll start with one piece and later on go with tops. So yes, the first one piece is this. This is amazing beachwear one piece, and the triangles over here are very nice, like full of multicolor. This is not my style, but then also I like this, and I was like एक बार तो order करते, ये beach पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Yes, if you ask me, my height is 5 feet, तो ये मुझे ही short हो रहा है. If you are taller than me, then वो आपको definitely short होगा. And if you ask from neckline, it is little low, like वो low नहीं है, पर वो pin up करना पड़ता है because it is open. And यहाँ पे you have a strap from your shoulders, so you can adjust it as per your body. So yes, I love this one piece. The quality is amazing, and ये beach के लिए बहुत superb है. Like even if it gets wet, it will get dry soon. So I just like this one piece. Okay, next one piece over here is this of green color, which has a bow from behind, and front में simple सा one piece है. This I can wear if I am going out with my family because sleeves भी है and वो low भी नहीं है. Normal सा one piece है, like normal casual wear one piece. So if you are someone who wear one piece at home or just outing के लिए, shopping के लिए, ऐसे वैसे, if you require one piece, you can definitely go and order this. Material is also quite good. This is also amazing one piece. Next is again beachwear, full of multicolor. Like I don't know, मुझे multicolor नहीं पसंद है, but if I see pictures of other people on Instagram and I see my friends wearing multicolor, I always feel like yes, I need to have one in my wardrobe. So एक तो already कर लिया था. This is second one. It is with long stripes, and ये मुझे नी से नीचे हो रहा है. So if you are someone who don't like to wear short one piece, you can definitely go for this. This is ankle length one piece and very nice. ये भी like बहुत अच्छा fitting देता है because it is a knot from above section from your shoulders as well as knot from your waist. So the fitting gives amazing, and yes, this is very nice. A beach wear. So I gave you two options, a short one and a long one. You can select any one from this. So it is nice. The quality is also good. Okay, next one piece is of denim one piece. Yes, when you are ordering one piece, denim is must, and ये भी I can wear with my family, and इसको ना अलग तरीके से भी स्टाइल करते हैं. Since it has buttons, you can always wear as a jacket. So yes, it has collars, it has full sleeves, you can roll up the sleeves, and it is of denim, so you can wear as jacket as well as denim नहीं है लेकिन soft denim है, denim type का है. Yeah, so you can wear as a shirt, as at multiple ways obviously. And if you want me to style this in different ways, do let me know in the comment section. I'll make a separate video or a reel on Instagram styling this outfit in many different ways. Okay, next is a top which is of V-neck and very nice. I just love the sleeves, and it has many different colors as well. Like मुझे blue color नहीं चाहिए था और दूसरे colors भी नहीं चाहिए थे, so I went for green color, and green is looking amazing. And this can be even worn as formal top. Yes, so ये मैं office में भी पहन सकती हूँ, and normal casual wear में भी we can wear. So it is nice. It's good. It is of maybe rayon material, and yes, you can wear. You can see the fit of this on my body. The fitting is very amazing, and I just like the fitting of this. So you can definitely try this out. Like no second thought for this. Okay, next top is something which I am wearing. This is very nice, and this is something which I have ordered for the first time, and it is looking very nice, like one strip shoulder, and here it has frill wala sleeves, and amazing. The quality is also amazing. So yes, this is looking very pretty, I guess. Do let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite top and which one is your favorite one piece. Okay, next is a long top, something of kurti types, not typically kurti but a long top which is of pure cotton, and the material is very soft and amazing, and the color is also pink, like ye printed and boho style mein hai top. So this is also of nice quality and everything is nice. The fitting is also nice. So I just like this as well. Like as per price point, everything is very good. Okay, last top over here is this pink, which is not a completely off shoulder but a cold shoulder top. Yes, this is like nice, and normal basics are top hai, but as per price point it is amazing. Again a rayon material, but yes, I just liked it. If you have any more tops and outfits, if you want me to try those, do let me know on my Instagram. I will definitely try that in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I have done many other Amazon haul. I'll put the links of all the videos in the description box, and outfit links are also given in the description box. Just go and watch that. Yes, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any of my videos, and do follow me on my social media, links given in the description box. See you in next video. Bye bye.